How to remove message button on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove message button on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the message button that I'm talking about looks like this. So when someone visits your profile, this is what your profile looks like. Let me show you. So if you're here, when someone else is viewing your profile, they will see this. This is your profile. Now, this is a message button that I'm talking about. So if you want to remove that, what you'll need to do is, let me head back to our homepage. Okay, so to remove that message button on your Facebook profile, what you do is you head over to your menu first. It's on the bottom right corner. After you're there, tap on the settings on the top right corner. It's the gear icon. And after you're on that option, scroll down till you find audience and visibility section. Under there, you will see how people can find and contact you. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see a lot of different options. So scroll down, and there you will see how you get message requests. There you can see for friends of friends on Facebook, deliver requests to chats. Now make sure that you turn all of this to off, or simply turn all of this to don't receive requests. Save it and update your settings, and do the same for the others as well. And yeah, keep on doing that and update your settings so that no one will be able to message you. And doing that will remove the message button from your profile altogether. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.